Alright guys, welcome back to BBQLAND, the UK specialist barbecue retailer in Hertfordshire. My name's Dan, and if you didn't catch our last videos of cooking up some beautiful turkeys from Coppers Farms, if you have any leftover turkey, you can turn them into delicious meals. Today we're going to be doing a nice brunch, breakfast lunch, and it's going to be a turkey hash. We're going to cook it all on the Kamado Joe Classic too. So what I'll do is I'll bring you over, show you the ingredients and get this Kamado Joe fired up. So we've got some charcoal in there, a couple of fire lighters, we're going to get them started. Make sure your bottom vent's right the way open. Drop our grates in to the lower position. So we've got a 10-inch Lodge cast iron pan. We've got some of our leftover turkey. We've got some onions and peppers, we've got some bacon, we've got some potatoes that we've peeled, diced and parboiled them till they're soft, and we've got a couple of eggs and a lid. So we're just going to wait for this to get up to temperature. Our fire is established, so what we're going to do, we're going to get our cast iron in there, shut the dome up and bring that cast iron up to temperature. So we're up to around about 150 degrees C. Our pan should be nice and preheated. We're going to go in with our oil and then our bacon. Let that crisp up a little bit. Right, we're going to go in with our onions and peppers. We're just going to soften them down. Well, now they're softened, we're going to remove these, put them in a bowl. A little bit more oil, and then we're going to go in, with our potatoes. And we're going to season it with a bit of Angus and oint garlic butter. This is so good on potatoes and anything really. Right, and we're just going to put the lid down, leave that for around about 5 minutes, so we're going to start developing a crust on the bottom of the potato. Right, let's give them a bit of a turn, scrape up, see all the golden colour on the bottom of the potatoes, just what we're after. Then we're going to go back in with our onions and the bacon and peppers. And then our turkey that we've just sliced and sort of diced up a bit. Give that a bit of a mix up. Just going to put the lid down and then just give that around about 5 minutes so everything heats up nicely. So now we're just going to create a couple of wells. We can crack our eggs into. And then we're just going to place the lid on. And then just give that couple of minutes just so the eggs can cook through. All right, let's have a look. Look at that. So we're going to pull this off, straight onto our board. We're just going to let that cool off for a little bit. Just go for it. That egg. Now that is a lovely brunch, breakfast, runny eggs, lovely turkey hash. Right guys, we're all done. There's a recipe for you for your leftover turkeys. Lovely brunch, all done on the Kamado Joe Classic 2 in under 20 minutes. It was real simple, but a very tasty dish. So please subscribe and comment down below if you have any questions, and I'll see you next time. Cheers.